Hey everyone! Today, we're taking a closer look at the DJI NEO 2 and palm takeoff and landing then gesture control. The DJI NEO 2 lets you enjoy intelligent tracking. With active tracking, easy moment capture, selfie shot and 4K high-quality imaging and the omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The DJI NEO 2 also offers full coverage propeller guards then faster smoother tracking with active track. The DJI NEO 2 can follow your subject effortlessly, even during fast movements. This means you can capture cinematic shots without worrying about losing focus or frame, and stabilized by a 2-axis gimbal. Ensuring every shot remains smooth and steady, then 1/2-inch CMOS sensor EVing and 12MP stills that capture every moment 4K high video quality that brings your footage to life. Every frame looks sharp, detailed, and incredibly smooth, and 4K per 60 frames per second video and 4K 100 frames per second video. Then when RC is connected, it unlocks even more control and precision for your flights and level 5 winds. Resistance ensures the drone remains stable even in challenging weather conditions. This means you can fly with confidence while capturing smooth, steady, and cinematic aerial footage every time. Then weight 151 g, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to carry anywhere. Its compact design allows you to take it on every adventure, whether you're traveling, hiking, or exploring new places. With its smart flight features and stable camera system. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe,